Welcome guys to a brand new video. In this video I'll talk about how you can run a basic workflow in Alteryx. Like Alteryx is a very advanced tool. It is much more advanced than Excel. Like you can do many things that you cannot do in Excel. But in this video I'll show you how you can run a basic workflow. So let's just quickly get into the video. So for the start we have two Excel files. Like we have employee date, employee code, employee name, and the sale what the employees have done for product A, and same goes for product B. These are the two Excel files, and our goal is to get a combined file where we can see that employee code, employee name, product A, product B, and total sales. That's our desired output. Now I'll show you how you can do this in Alteryx. There are a lot of options and all, so I'll just show you whichever is applicable for this exercise. Now quickly drag a input data file here like this one, and first of all we need to close this, otherwise it will not take these. So we'll set up a connection here. We'll go to file, select the file, employee data 1. Okay, so employee data 1 has been inserted in Alteryx. Now we'll do the same thing in, if we drag another input here, and we'll do the same thing. This time we'll input the employee data 2. Same way, set up a connection, go to files, navigate wherever is your saved file, and boom. Now we have both the data in Alteryx. Now our desired output is to merge into the same data, right? So we'll join those two Excel files. Now there are two options here. It is one is join and one is union. For this purpose we'll use the join formula, not the formula, the join option. Now how you can do that, just drag it like this and drag it like this. Now here it is showing left to right how we can look up these two Excel files. Remember, the employee code and employee names are same, so I'll choose employee code and employee name. Alright, now if I click onto the join file, it is showing like this. Now I'll use the select function to see that whether our things are correct or not. We're getting employee code, employee name, product A, right employee code, right employee name, product B, and this is nothing. But we only need product A and product B, right? We don't need this right employee code, using which the join tool has merged these two Excel files. So I'll deselect this. Okay, now we'll got the data. Now we want another column where we have the summation of product A and product B, right? So we'll use the formula tool here. If we drag it here, it is the formula tool, but we don't have a column, right? So we'll add a column here. Let's just name it as total and product A plus product B, right? Now if we use another select formula here, another select tool, we'll be able to see this. The total column has been added. Now we can see that these are our desired output, right? So we'll use the output tool here, and the same way we'll set up a connection where we need the output file. But before doing that, just select what is the desired output. There are a lot of supported types. We'll select Excel one right here. Now we'll see name a file like Alteryx output, right? Save. Okay. And if we open this, sorry, the Alteryx output is here, and we'll able to see the data has been added, like employee code, employee name, product A, product B, and the total. We can also sort this here in the select tool. We can sort it, but let's just leave it. So this is the output. So that's the end of the video. If you like my content, do subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. I end my video with a quote: just do your best and leave to God all the rest. Thank you. Bye guys.